everyone is learning AI wrong. And it's not because AI is too complicated. It's because beginners are doing exactly what the internet tells them to do, and it's the wrong approach. Let me start with a story. When I first started with AI, I opened ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, and a bunch of other tools all at once. Within an hour, I had 10 tabs open, dozens of saved prompts, and absolutely nothing worked. I felt overwhelmed, frustrated, and honestly, ready to quit. You're not failing because AI is too hard. You're failing because you're refocusing on the wrong things. Let's break this down. Most beginners make the same mistakes. First, they try to copy prompts from random videos or TikToks, hoping to get instant results. They paste these into AI and get generic, bland answers that aren't useful. Second, they jump between every new AI tool that comes out, thinking more tools mean faster results. And third, they watch tutorials endlessly but never apply anything in real life. The V's. Weeks of learning and no real progress. I spent hours doing this. I thought I was making progress, but the truth was, I was just spinning my wheels. I kept asking myself, why isn't this working for me? And that's S. When it clicked, the problem wasn't AI, it was how I was approaching it. So, what's the smarter way to learn AI? Step 1 is simple. Pick one tool. Forget about using every AI tool out there. Don't worry about copying every viral prompt. Focus on just one tool and one goal. That's it. Mastering one tool will show you real results faster than trying to juggle 10 tools at once. Step 2. Focus on one problem at a time. Most beginners ask AI generic questions, like write me a viral video script or create something amazing. Rose. Those prompts might produce something, but it won't solve your actual problem. Instead, ask, what is the one task I want AI to help me with today? For example, if your goal is to save 10 hours a week, ask AI to help you write scripts or automate a specific task, not everything at once. Step 3. Ignore distractions. Start paying attention to trending AI lists, viral prompts, or tools that everyone else is hyping. Focus beats tools every single time. The moment you focus, you start getting results, instead of being overwhelmed by options. This is where most beginners give up. They expect AI to magically do everything for them, but AI is only as effective as the plan and focus behind it. The smarter way is to pick one tool, define one goal, and apply AI consistently to achieve it. So, here's the smarter way to learn AI. The approach I tested myself over 60 days, and the method that actually works. Step 1 is simple. Pick one AI tool and stick with it. Don't jump between 5 different tools at once. Pick one that solves a problem you care about and focus on learning it deeply. Mastering one tool gives results faster than spreading yourself thin across 10 tools. Step 2. Focus on one problem at a time. Stop copying prompts randomly. Instead, think, what exactly do I want AI to help me with today? For example, instead of saying write a viral script, ask, write a 3-minute script to save beginners 10 hours a week using AI. See the difference? One is generic, the other is goal-oriented. AI works best when you ask questions that matter to you. Step 3. Ignore distractions. Forget trending AI tools, hype lists, and viral prompts. They don't help if you don't have focus. Concentrate on solving real problems, not chasing what everyone else is doing. I tested this approach myself. I picked one AI tool and focused on one real problem, figuring out how to automate simple tasks and save time as a beginner. The first 10 days were confusing. I wasn't sure if I was using AI correctly. I spent time experimenting, failing, and trying random prompts. But I kept going. By day 30, I started seeing small wins. Tasks that would have taken an hour now took minutes. My prompts became more specific and effective. I was learning not just the tool, but how to make AI work for me. By day 60, the results were clear. I wasn't overwhelmed anymore. I was solving real problems. I finally understood the difference between using AI like a beginner and learning AI the smarter way. Here's how you can apply this today. Pick one AI tool to focus on for the next 30 days. Define one problem you want AI to solve. Ask AI goal-specific prompts instead of random generic ones. Apply the solutions and track results to see progress. Ignore distractions like trending tools, viral prompts, and tutorials that don't apply. Following these 5 steps will make AI feel less overwhelming and actually produce results. The focus, not speed, is the key. And if you're new to AI and want more step-by-step guidance like this, make sure to subscribe to Digital Compound right now. I post videos showing beginners exactly how to test AI, learn smarter, and get real results without wasting months. Remember, everyone is learning AI wrong, but it doesn't have to be that way. Start small, focus on what matters, and you'll see progress faster than you ever expected. Follow this approach, and AI will finally work for you, not against you.